హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 23 మనకు ట్రిగ్నామెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్ టాపిక్లోంచి ఒక 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తాడు. పర్టికులర్గా లాస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ట్రిగ్నామెట్రిక్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్స్ అప్లికేషన్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తాడు. లెట్ us see this first question. If ABC are angles in a triangle, then prove that sin A plus sin B plus sin C value equal to 4 times cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. This is the question. Yes. LHS I am going to write. LHS is given by sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C it is. Yes. If you write sin A plus sin B value 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B divided by 2 and writing sin C as it is. Just sin A plus sin B formula applied. Sin A plus sin B written as 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Yes, I am going to write, I am going to mention the formula here. You know that since sin C minus sin D, sorry, sin C plus sin D, sin C plus sin D written as 2 sin C plus D divided by 2 cos C minus D divided by 2. Using this formula, you got second step. Next, here in the question already given that ABC are angles in a triangle, so that I can write A plus B plus C, that is pi or 180 degrees. This is result 1. So now I can replace A plus B with 180 minus C. So this is 2 times of sin of 180 minus C whole divided by 2. And this is cos A minus B divided by 2 and sin C as it is. Here I am going to write the reason for this step. A plus B written as 180 minus C. That's all. Move to the next step. Here this is clearly 2 times of sin pi by 2 minus C by 2 it is. Remaining cos A minus B divided by 2 and then sin C it is. Next, 2 times of sin 90 minus theta written as cos theta, so that it is cos of C by 2. Next term cos of A minus B divided by 2, and here I am going to write sin C as 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Here what we applied, sin C written as sin C formula 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2 we can write. Also here sin 90 minus theta, sin of 90 degrees minus theta written as cos theta also. Okay. Next, here from both the terms, if I take common 2 times of cos C by 2, then what happens, cos of A minus B divided by 2, next sin of C divided by 2 it is. Therefore this is equal to 2 times of cos C by 2, next cos of A minus B divided by 2 plus sin of, the value of C from 1 I can write 180 minus A plus B. So 180 minus a plus b divided by 2. 180 by 2, 90. C value can be written as 180 minus a plus b divided by 2 you have. So pi by 2 minus a plus b divided by 2 it is. Therefore you can write 2 times of cos c by 2. Next here it is cos of a minus b divided by 2 plus. Now sin 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta. So that it is cos of a plus b divided by 2. Yes. In the next step I can write on continuation. Here in the next step I can apply the formula. From the formula cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, I can write 2 times of cos a cos b. This formula I can use. Okay. So that I can say that 2 times of cos c by 2 which is multiplied by, apply cos a plus b plus cos a minus b formula, we get 2 times of cos a by 2 cos b by 2 here. Therefore 2 into 2 4, all cosine angles cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into cos c by 2 answer. This is your RHS part. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Therefore I can write LHS equal to RHS. Hence the result proved. I am writing hence proved. Okay. This is the solution for this question with the help of trigonometric transformations. Yeah. Next question. If a plus b plus c pi, then prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 value equal to 2 times 1 plus sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 you have. LHS part I am going to write first. Already given a plus b plus c pi. First I am writing a plus b plus c. Since yes, given that a plus b plus c is pi. Some result 1. Now I am going to write LHS part. You have cos square a by 2. Next term plus cos square b by 2. And after that plus cos square c by 2 it is. Now cos square theta written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. You know that cos square theta, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta whole divided by 2. Using this formula you can write cos square a by 2 as 1 plus cos a whole divided by 2. Next plus 1 plus cos b whole divided by 2 plus 1 plus cos c whole divided by 2 it is. Now you can take 1 by 2 common. If you take 1 by 2 common, then what happens, observe, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that become 3. Next plus, you have cos a plus cos b plus cos c inside. Cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Yes, now 1 by 2 outside as it is, and 3 plus. Now apply cos C plus cos D formula. You know that cos C plus cos D, cos C plus cos D can be written as 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D divided by 2. This transformation I am going to use in this step. Here cos A plus cos B become 2 cos A plus B divided by 2 cos A minus B divided by 2 plus cos C it is. Yes, in the next step I can write 1 by 2 of 3 plus 2 times of cos of. You know that A plus B is 180 minus C. When you write A plus B by 2, it is 90 minus C by 2. A plus B by 2 value 90 minus C by 2. Remaining cos A minus B divided by 2 and cos C. Cos C written as cos C, suppose first as it is. Next step I am going to change 1 by 2 into 3 plus 2 of cos 90 minus C by 2, that is sin of C by 2. Remaining cos A minus B divided by 2 plus. Next cos C written as 1 minus 2 sin square C. Cos theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So cos C written as 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2, that is. Why? Because here you have sin C by 2. Due to that reason cos C written as 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. You know that cos theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Yes. And observe here, three plus 1, that is 4. Next plus, from these two terms if you take common 2 sin C by 2, then what happens? Cos of A minus B divided by 2, next minus sin of C by 2 it is. Bracket close. Yes. In the next step I can write 1 by 2 4 plus 2 sin C by 2 it is. See here, C written as 180 minus A plus B and C by 2 written as 90 minus A plus B by 2. So that cos of A minus B by 2 minus sin of C value 180 minus A plus B by 2 you have. So that 90 minus A plus B divided by 2. Yes. Therefore, now I can write yes. Now I am going to minimize this in the next step, that is equal to 1 by 2 outside, next 4 plus 2 times of sin of C by 2 multiplied by first term cos of A minus B divided by 2. Next this is sin 90 minus theta written as cos theta. Therefore minus of cos A plus B divided by 2. Bracket close. Now 1 by 2 of 4 plus 2 sin C by 2. Next cos A minus B by 2 minus cos A plus B by 2. There you have to use the formula cos A minus B minus cos A plus B formula. Yes, we know that cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, that is 2 sin a sin b. Yes, this result now I am going to use here. Applying this formula, you can write this as 2 times of sin a by 2 sin b by 2. That's all. Now clearly 4 by 2 is 2. Next plus 1 2 gets cancelled, remaining 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 it is. You can take 2 common, inside we get 1 plus just sin a by 2 sin b by 2 and sin c by 2. This is your RHS part. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence the result proved.